In tight installation spaces where long-distance HDMI transmission is needed, have you run into issues like signal loss or tricky setups? That's why we created the HE01FE-4K6G, a compact, fiber-based HDMI extender built for professional AV environments. It delivers uncompressed 4K 60Hz 444 Ultra HD video with crystal clear detail and no image degradation. Equipped with a built-in LC fiber connector, it works with multimode fiber to extend HDMI video and audio up to 300 meters with ease. Beyond just distance, it's compact and easy to install. The pigtail design fits into tight spaces, and the strap hole lets you secure it firmly using zip ties, no risk of falling. Always running out of power outlets? The HE01FE-4K6G simplifies your power setup. The transmitter requires no power, saving socket space. Only the receiver needs power via USB-C to USB-A cable, which can be connected to the included USB adapter or any available USB port, ideal for flexible on-site deployment. In real-world tests, even at 300 meters, latency was measured at less than 1 frame, virtually unnoticeable. It is perfect for high-demand applications like presentations, surveillance, or live broadcasting, without missing a beat. Each kit includes 1 transmitter plus 1 receiver, 1 USB-C to USB-A cable, 1 USB power adapter. Installation takes just 4 simple steps. Plug in the LC fiber cable. Connect the transmitter to the HDMI source. Connect the receiver to the display. Power up, using the included adapter, a USB hub, or even your display's USB port. Compact, seamless, reliable. The HE01FE-4K6G is the dependable tool system integrators trust. Delivering top-tier performance in control rooms, studios, corporate meeting rooms, and digital signage setups. Small form factor, big reach. It's that simple. Want to learn more? Visit our website or reach out via our online inquiry form. The SC&T professional team is always ready with a quick response.